ala no ɛyɛ weird to the extent say agye sɛ wonya ntabo space hye ɛnyɛ sɛ abusua you can never watch this video because niema ekoso obi asena no ɔden etu na twem 1 minute oh yeah much better abusua na because I can say you are welcome back to another episode of weird stuff happening around the world ankasa channel wadi gusu we sisi ay Ogidi Zee TV so ati ase na senya woni no oh yeah and nan su da fofora ye na Awurade Nyankopon aye na ye mema ye ni age e wo danim ankasa sena ne first time visit channel we am say so be me subscribe button so no ba be ka eye abusuafo so ati ase because returning subscribers on my channel we mu nyina de o nim say e Ogidi Zee TV ye the best of entertainment any trending news na bre ya fo ni atiefo nyina so ati ase e be you see enkamfo na hone so sa akode wa se bi ka kire obede what's say
me say obi abọ ma baso ami abọ me trumpet
oh yeah so obi abọ baso a pangasa bo trumpet awusia emra encha grado yanko na video ni so oh yeah awusia ewe your first video of the day the church anu odin ankasa ye nyina nim say me giri say video e Ghana he ya ye nyina nim say Ghana ye wabato yi a so ati ase it is akobasa na say bia president no mo kwa probo e wo nkro no so akoye mo campaign akokenka mo manifesto eye o manu disem a kire senti amanfo ne nsanto aba mo eye bosumi edi anim a ibempi na ana ka tai se sani pa te so mo sa party ne ye na edi biko na buso video ye ba be hwe no chesa odwina mo kra ho nti ase tire da te se efa niema a te se fa gusu no nto so adaka ne anade no eno na afa nipa almost be 200 e de gum na sena driver ni si twika no abuso de ye video no driver uchi car we ni papa egum that very sick we ni papa egu car ni ma wo di car ni di agrosa ha uchi car wo dani car kesi wo dani say di sese prophet odo ka bibi chere no
wo jare me so wo jare
oh yeah le awuzia our second video no oh yeah there are so many forms of broken hearts so what you say the edika ya common ye nyanim say bia obi do obi na watwe na di na wagya no ma the broken heart na ye common one but ye ba ya nkase asetrem nso a ye wade bu a wo ye na say wo de wani to so na at the end of the day oh we good results na say why nya good results na it's a broken heart so what you say ye ban so ko twalo to na ye ban so what twalo 4 single 4 34 na kwa kobo single 4 33 oh just how you want just a broken heart case pa the same thing implies to bet so what you say I was that you go to bet oh yeah na tv say ni team no share no I was just say scan na that na is ka case pa na matches ni na kwa we ba no tv say we win majority of the teams na last one bia and commit ma na discard we say ma say bet no broken heart achi akwa no ye video no
Sikano ashi
ye ble papa
oh yeah uzia sikano ashi iye uzia bet on make catch us say bet lotto enya de pa o hwe me emfa ho njim because broken anu de broken at wom ankasa ebusia ye hwe nuan ni se ne wasi atofo ma wosu na osibu asamabo asamo just what you want to say don't venture lotto or bet because another part looking at you ana part of the broken at you rodia e go ma budget for because see can be shit oh yeah abusia our 10 videos no I think said there is this guy be attend be a green shirt and the videos ni circulate just say what you want to say you want me bebre wo what say oya wo dwen ho a won ti ase most of the videos na trending no video ni na say oya ade bi ase obo obi but at the end of the day no na asa kwese ono ani self interest e na o siki na ese nye nipa na obo ano make am ko say the video ba na ge bi share no akonfo na ge ne share no akonfo no nipa okopi osu no wanje ge no kan you imagine wanje ge no na wasan ho ba ko fa ne mpaboa I was that same guy no say a video for so ati say o de yen video
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help.
Oh yeah, I was na get na je ni say o ko 20 sane ne mana maro wa che no kra fa ni shoe ko so ati ase just how you kra wa ti ase na ga you kra ha ani ti na otuti masa sa ni video ba ku bi ge bi de sikan ejina ho so wo de be woni ho akunu e wa agula ho e na ono so kwa ko senso e na ehun se wa je sikan na figure ni nsem se ma ne mfa nwo no ho eti wa je sikan figure ni nsem no e na ge na soa no insuo no ge na soa ni insuo wi na o sa de sikan na che ni nsem se afi wa so na wi o mfa nwo no ho I was here, yeah, it was. Oh yeah, I was here. I was your fourth video, so this is why a Kurasitana and your guy. So what I say, make up what he say. I was here. I break it to me in the biane. Now coco double, croco. Abona jebiane nedi. Just how you want to say that was your video. Oh yeah, I was here. This is why a Kurasitana and your guy. So what I say, make up what he say. I was here. Kurasitana can best pangasa because so far grandma and then where up when you be. Uncle Tommy, so what I say. By your name about community and say, "Why me or giddy per se and my Kurasitana and Yamide." Ebini one wo scorpion. And someone is a Mwabi a kaka was as so what I say. And a biosuro and Kokodi Mwabi about what you are doing yedi. Just how you want to say. Just Kobe to say Seshi. So what I say, Seshi baby a cocoa and Casa de Crasino. I was young. You will fear Kokobi or any drinks. I would do tea on pano pan on us one fan could Jania and said them or about watch it if you had a video. I don't see a milk class a train day and said I guy and Gasangasa. And so I could tell you no perdian and now cook on Mobonaji the SSA. I was young to us. I was young. Our last video, you know, this is Epiadonko versus Jehovah Witness. I was just already I went to say. Young himself say, "Emre say you kwako to aba. You tire a presidential debate. Emma, Oma flag bearers no more standing for parties me na near to two man. So I say, near beside omo die, omo bomba be. Now when I might do Epiadonko so, oh yeah, and no. You was Epiadonko say, oh ba, and then now Baba Yama gun and you jam to Abama. Also Baba Jehovah Witness for men in every school. I was on the video.
For microphone na kana fe yintwe homra.
Ya bo kan say. School azam ye kan. Me ba abeyi Yehoafo mma efi school. Yehoafo mma, Yehoafo nto aba. Na so ya ma na agi school fi ni nyina pa. Ya ma wan kasa so na ya aba ya dwuma. Wa abra ya nto aba. Enti me beyi amba no nyina fi school mu na.
Oh yeah, I was young. Also be Jehovah Witness for men in every school because one and got to an alpha over school. Ah, no, they don't go away. Idea was so where no policy. So I say, the partner didn't know, even though he has the right to vote. So I say, but then one also want to. And you know why? And why? And then him say, as a citizen, it's your responsibility. Fine, but on that didn't want to say, and when I now so you man, I say, and in the sumo, and in the near maybe the uncle, and the on to aba. And I say, for to aba now, mobile, or move your mobile. Into one to aba, into the biggest over in every school with the other thing. I was here. Aha, and I remember an episode of Weird Wahala and Friday. I wear we. But these videos are rare when you are just watching. So when you are there, and another be a subscriber to this, and subscribe now by Cable Show. Send your baby a brand new now. The post video be announced Friday. Aka. Till we meet again in our next episode. Choo!